di bahagian tengah, which is your mean. Okay, iaitu berhampiran dengan mean. Okay, so wait, where is that? Okay, alright. Okay, let's say lah. Okay, so I'm just repeating this thing again because some people doesn't see that, or maybe all of you doesn't see that. Okay, so right here is mean. Okay, we just take it as your mean lah for now. So you can say like kebaran kalian bagi data pula semakin berkurang apabila menjauhi mean. Okay, pada kedua arah. So you have this side and you have this side. So any of this side, if dia menjauhi, or the words like this. Okay, you can see this side berbanding dengan ni. Okay, isn't the same? Oh my god. Okay, wait. Like that. Okay, so hopefully you guys can understand lah. The more it's evenly like distributed, the more it's the value lah. So bagi data tu. So I see that banyak yang belajar juga dalam DLP, also bahasa Melayu. So yeah, hopefully you guys can manage lah dapatkan dalam benda ni. Okay, and for your information, saya pun bahasa Melayu juga, so jangan risau. Okay, together we learn. Okay, by now hopefully you guys can see the screen, right? Wait. A lot of people want to join also. Alright. Then next of all, we're going to see the, okay, you see this graph, right? So you can see that 50% of this side is the same. Same over here is also 50, over here also 50. So at this point, the mean, the median, and mode are the same. Okay, not that point. Okay, which is the, wait, I see the, wait. Okay. Oh my god, I cannot do it everything. So okay, we just get this thing. Okay, right. So you can see that, okay, anything like here, you can see that 50% bahagian ini, okay, which is this side, okay, kurang daripada mean ni, okay, which is this side, okay. And then you can see that data sebelah sini pula it's the same, 50% also. So you can understand like that lah. So this evenly distributed, this side up 50%, this side up 50%. So when you add up at this point, if you understand this and some of this before, you can come up to the conclusion lah. Next one. Okay. Alright. So we are going to the criteria or the ciri-ciri penting bagi graf fungsi taburan normal. Okay, so first thing, lengkung berbentuk loceng dan bersimetri pada garis tegak yang melalui mean. Or we can say, in other words, mu lah. So that's how they call it. Okay. Berbentuk lonceng. So the side lah where the lonceng goes. Okay. Lengkung mempunyai nilai maksimum pada paksi symmetry. Okay. The second point here, you need to note down the thing actually. Kalau korang tak tahu this part, you cannot answer some questions. So you need to make sure to note this down. Okay. When it say Paxi symmetry, X is also equals to vermeil or mean. Okay. So mean membahagikan luas rantau di bawah graf kepada dua bahagian yang sama. Okay. And okay, if you have a graph like this, up and down, the mean is where di mana dia dikasih bahagikan kepada dua tempat lah. Okay, dua bahagian like that, distributed evenly lah. That in other way we can call it. Okay. Kedua-dua hujung, okay, at this point you guys already know, and some of you guys already obviously know lah that bila korang tengok graf-graf taburan normal ni, you will know that there is nothing. Okay, you guys note down lah. Is this correct? Is this thing correct or not? Obviously, this lukisan is worse, but okay, is this correct or not? So some people already noted lah. Some people already know. So okay, I guess I'm talking to myself right now. Oh, okay. Yeah, no. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for chatting. Okay. 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 Why? Why do you guys think it's all right? Yeah, obviously because anything. Okay, you guys know that the kedua-dua ujung lengkung graph is tidak terhingga, which is it's not going to touch the Paxi X. No matter at any point, it's infinity lah. We can tell, you know, the words. Okay, so this is not correct. Okay, so yeah, I know even some of my friends did this this latihan. So yeah, make sure you guys know this thing lah already. All right, we move on to the next one lah because I'm already late. Okay. Alright. So kedua-dua hujung lengkung graf, okay, melanjut secara tidak terhingga tanpa menyentuh paksi X. So you have to know that thing that I already told lah. So next off, we have jumlah luas di bawah graf yang bersamaan dengan jumlah kebarangkalian bagi semua kesudahan unit. So each and every luas di bawah graf tu adalah bersamaan dengan satu unit. Okay. Dengan jumlah kebarangkalian bagi semua kesudahan ialah satu unit padu. Right? Right. So you guys need to know this ciri-ciri. Hopefully by now you guys already know lah. And this is just look back lah. I hope I don't know how many of you guys already belajar ke benda ni? Can anyone? Yeah, right? You guys already know. Even you guys are lebih mahir dan arif daripada saya yang mengajar. Alright. Alright, so yeah. Okay. So next up, okay, okay, wait. Alright. At this point, okay, we have to try and error with this experiment. Like as you can see right now, we have the mean, or we call meal, right? Okay. At here, you can see lah. So which one is which mean is much larger lah, we can say. Okay, bentuk graf tidak berubah. Okay, look at that. Bentuk graf is the same, but then when the mean bergerak mengikut nilai mean, jika sesian dia okay. So, which means semakin besar nilai mean, semakin ke kanan kedudukan graf. Okay, alright. Which means that the more okay, kedudukan graf ni it stays the same, but then the more larger or the banyak lagi mean tersebut tu, okay, the more ke kanan kedudukan graf itu. Hopefully you guys understand lah by now. So over mu2 is actually lebih besar daripada mu1 lah. Okay, that thing also have to know lah by that. So perubahan bentuk dan kedudukan graf taburan normal is also decided by the mean value. Okay, alright. Okay, next we have sisian PIY. So bentuk dan kedudukan graf also dipengaruhi juga oleh sisian PIY. So the more larger the amount ataupun nilai sisian PIY itu, okay, semakin lebar ataupun evenly distributed lah dia punya yang bahagian ini. So if you see that here, we clearly knows kalau dia lebih ke bawah dan distributed like this, that's more lah. So this right here, sisian PIY okay, that one I already do, it's actually variance. Okay. Alright, so sisian PIY 2 is actually more than sisian PIY 1. Okay, so the value of this is much larger lah, much big. Okay, alright. So semakin besar serakan taburan normal daripada nilai mean, semakin besarlah nilai sisian PIY. We can just songsangkan je lah benda tu, and we can understand from that thing. So ketinggian graf bertambah apabila nilai sisian PIY berkurang jika mean adalah malar. Only if the mean is malar. That's it. Okay, so you guys also need to notice this thing. Okay, then before this we already know this mean. Alright, right. Okay, so for the sub, wait lah. Buka. Okay, now take a look at this graph. You can see this. Okay, we already know that x is equals to over mean, and then we know the okay, now we know all this thing. Sekarang ni kita tahu luas di bawah graf bagi x dari A ke B mewakili kebarangkalian x berlaku untuk nilai x dari A ke B. Again, this thing we can also write down like this, which is P right here. You guys, hopefully you guys know lah, which is stand for probability. Okay, I cannot I can't write it down. It's probability, stands for probability. Okay, which is you can clearly see lah that P dalam kurungan A, and which is probability of A right here. You can see, okay, like that lah. So okay, so this, okay, this whole equation is sama saja dengan benda ni. Okay, because dia tidak dia tidak okay. At this point, because of this is anu sudah like already tak terhingga, so we cannot describe it like that. Okay, so it's the same lah. So for those who are asking what is the difference between this thing, it's same. These two things are same. That's it. Okay, all right, all right. So here we comes to the question lah. So this is a simple question actually. You guys can answer this question, I think. Okay. I think you guys already answered this question and then waiting for me to explain it, or let's see the. Or some people also doesn't belajar, right? Okay. All right. All right. So this is an obvious question. So what is over mean? Okay. Raja di sebelah menunjukkan graf bagi fungsi tabuhan normal yang bersimetri pada x sama dengan 35. After you just know this, okay, x sama dengan 35, you already get the answer lah, actually. But okay, what is the answer for A, guys? You guys know it, right? Yeah, correct, correct. Yeah, correct. Hello, you guys can hear me? Right. Oh, Okay, you guys can try to solve the question before I get back. Just, but can you guys really hear me right now? Hello? Oh, sure, sure. They will actually adjust. I think ini atau think go check out Subwin's YouTube channel. Okay, wait. Okay, is it clear right now? Hopefully it does lah. Okay, I just keep on going. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Okay. Right here we know that over min is of course 35. Okay. Really sorry for this inconvenience guys again. All this lesson was about sorry only. Okay. So 35 of course. So we know how you know that x is equals to your actually. Okay. So, so that's how you know your your min is actually 35. Okay. Also you can check the kalau dia kalau tidak diberikan dalam here they will always or give you the graph so you can look from the graph. This is your min, this is your x. So we go to the second question, which is okay, ungkapkan rantau berlorik dalam tata tanda kebarangkalian. So how you do this is simple actually, but then you need to really understand. So you will have the formula for this. So you can see that actually 35 over 35 is kalau if we do a assumption like this line, okay, let's say you have 35, right, which is your 35 is actually your x. 35 is actually your x. So you see on the graph 35, okay, 28 is actually lebih kurang daripada 28, lebih kurang daripada 35. And then you over here you also say 35 is kurang daripada your 42. But then when they say ungkapkan rantau berlorik dalam tata tanda kebarangkalian, this is not how you do it. But then we'll give them to the formula that they give, which is P 28 lebih kurang daripada, which is the X lah, so kurang daripada 42. So answer for the C. Okay, actually, you guys can refer the contoh also. This is from your textbook also, page 168. You guys can go check. Okay, alright. Jika kebarangkalian rantau berlorek ialah 0.664, cari P X lebih kurang daripada 28. So at this point, you know that, okay, at this point is where most of us collapse, I think. But then, still, we'll do this lah, okay? I'll erase this first. Okay, you see, probability of X adalah kurang 28. Okay, it's also equals to P X is more over than 40. Oh my god, again, what happened? So yeah, I hope you guys know that thing. So okay, we just go through this contoh fast lah, because you already know that thing and then you know the answer, right? For sure. Right. So wait. Okay. So at this point, we just need to insert the samana that they give, which is this probability is also equals to divided into two bahagian. I think we got 0.118. Okay. Just for the sake of you guys see that thing on screen. That's it. Other than that, you guys can check the textbook lah. All right. Okay. Another contoh. This is the thing that you guys have to notice also, which is suatu pemboleh ubah rawak selanjar X lebih kurang, which is dengan N 2.3 and 0.16. So we nyatakan mean dan sisian PRY. Okay, so they give you only this thing and then they suddenly ask you mean and sisian PRY bagi taburan ini. So they doesn't even give you the jadwal, but then they give this thing. Okay, how do you do that? First, you need to know that your mean is actually, okay, what is your mean, guys, right here? Can anyone tell? You guys already know it. Yeah, correct. Your mean is 2.3. Okay, so we already nyatakan, okay, mean is, okay, okay, your mean is 2.3. Okay, it's okay, I don't write it because this is just fun to write. You can always refer the textbook, okay? So, okay, you know that your mean is 2.3, okay, and then your CCN PY must be punca kuasa with the this, okay? So when you punca kosa 0.16 at this point, you will get the sisihan piawai, which is you know that okay, your okay, this is actually your variance. Okay, okay, wait. Is it? Wait, okay, yeah, all right. So when you punca kosa 0.16, get the variance from here, which is your variance must be okay, right. Time is also limited right now. Things collapse. 0.4. Okay, you guys understand that thing lah, and okay, we just move on to the next one. Right, so latihan kediri 5.10. So this is where the uh, things comes lah. So we go through lah. So Raja, okay. So the first question is Raja di sebelah menunjukkan graf taburan normal bagi pemboleh ubah rawak selanjar X. Okay, nyatakan mean bagi X. So this is an obvious question, right? Okay, hopefully you guys know. So bagi mean dia guys, anyone? Uh, in English they call yeah standard deviation. Yeah, correct. It's on 168 matematik tambahan form 5. Oh yeah, yeah, okay, 15. Yes, exactly. Yeah, you know it, right? It's obvious. So you guys already can get marks here lah at this point. That's why lah. If you really understand this topic and you can master this topic, you guys can actually get some marks lah. Okay, alright. Alright. So your x is equals to 15. We see from the graph lah. Right. So untuk soalan B, ungkapkan rantau berlorek Q dan R dalam tata tanda kebarangkalian. Okay. Right. Okay. You guys also check because I did this and then you know, okay, right. Your min is 15. And then okay, right now B, ungkapkan rantau berlorek Q dan R. Right. Q, right. Alright, let's say your R. Okay, kita letak R. Okay, which is this one. Okay, you guys see the R, right? Okay, hopefully you guys know. Okay, we take this R as our things lah. Okay, for this R, we know the probability of this menghampiri X is kurang daripada 12. Okay guys, right. Is it correct? Anyone genius right here? Okay, is it correct? Uh, oh yeah, yeah. Then I'm happy lah. Okay, so now the same exact thing on the opposite, but on Q you have to also find the uh, probability of this side lah. So then how you do it? Okay, anyone can answer. If you guys can try, you guys can try. Okay. So okay, if you guys are Actually, I'm messing up this class. You guys already genius. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Good. Correct. Yeah, Chiron. Right. Correct. Yeah. So your Q1 will be, or we can say Q is probability X is more than 18. Why? You guys can refer the graph right here lah. So you can see Q, the more they are right on the right side, so that's why we say it like that. So from my understanding, this is how I understand. Okay, so hopefully you guys know this thing lah also. Right. Okay. Right. All right. So now we have successfully ungkapkan, or we have, okay, in English they will say is it, I don't know. You guys can comment down lah for those DLP. Who want to join, and then we just go, because it's already 9, right? Alright. Okay, so this next question is C. Okay, so jika uh, kebarangkalian X sama dengan, they give you the, let's call, we call the already given lah, I think. Okay, cari kebarangkalian X lebih daripada 18 lah. So you can understand the thing, they give you already the Q yang tempat berlorek ni. So in order to find the what if X to lebih, dan they also ask for this one, right? So there's two question right here actually. Okay, so what you do this, what you do here is that you know that one side here you count it like, okay, at here, okay, at this point we know that it's 0.7635. Okay, this full complete is actually 0.5, and all this, okay, is equals to 1. I mean, this is 0.5 and this is 0.5, right? And you will get 1. Okay. From my understanding, that's it. How? So when you want only the X is more than 8, you need to just minus with the 0.763, and when you calculate, you will get how many, guys? What is the nilai? Yeah, correct. 337. Yeah, okay. Mine I get 365. It's okay. I think can lah also, but then that's the thing lah. Okay, so 0.2365, or okay. Okay, and then the second question that they ask is What if probability of 15 is less than x and x less than 18? Okay. For this one, we have to really understand something lah. That this side is actually you can multiply it by 2. First of all, this this part. Wait, I already have the nilai, so kita tinggal just harapkan dengan to get this value. Right now, right now, so you get the answer for the first one is 0, 2, 3, 6. Right. So to get the C question, you have to just multiply it by 2, and then again you have to minus it 1. Why? Because the whole distribution is 1. Okay. Jadi you just minus it, then you will get 0.5270. Okay guys, we just keep on moving. Alright, hopefully you guys can get the C section lah, but then if you doesn't understand, you guys can always check lah later on. Okay, so second question, suatu pun boleh ubah rawak selanjar X lebih kurang N dalam kurungan mu 16. Okay, sebab 16 dan bersimetri pada X sama dengan 12. So obviously again over nyatakan nilai mu tu, we know obviously over mu is this, and which is over mu is 12. Okay, lakar graf taburan norma itu dan lorekkan rantau yang we finish there, we go to the B right now. Lakar graf taburan norma itu dan lorekkan rantau yang mewakili probability of 10 lebih kurang daripada X, X lebih kurang daripada 15. Okay, so now we have to lakar. So this is the nightmare of my life. Okay, alright. Okay, okay. Let's set 0 fx here. Okay, what this people ask. Okay, it's not accurate right here, but then somewhere. Okay, it's okay lah. Tidak puas hati. Alright, it's okay. Everything is imperfect right now, so there's nothing with this. Okay, it's supposed to be like that, but then before that, we need to know that over P, the thing that they give is P10 okay. So untuk ni kita tahu the graph must be antara, because you can see this thing right, antara. So this is your mu, which is this one. So we'll do that graph lah right now. Okay. Okay, and this was your mu, which is 12, I guess. Is it 12, 15 is over here, and 10 is over here. Oh, no. Okay, it's not evenly distributed right now. Okay, let's do that. Nine, maybe use this one. Okay, something like that. And then and here you have 10, 15. Saksikanlah keseksaan saya. Whatever, guys. Okay, alright, that's it, guys. Okay, I think you guys can see that. I think so. This is how the we have this up. Okay, alright. So we have done the C question. Okay, alright. So we go to the textbook again. So this one, we understand that variasi awak dengan hukum bilangan besar. You have to really concentrate on reading the book textbook lah. But then that's the thing lah. With Sir Bhuvan's class, you go through the entire lesson completely, and then you will eventually understand. But then I'm coming here to mess up the whole scenario. It's okay. So let's go. Okay. Semakin besar saiz suatu sampel, semakin kecil oh my god. Okay. Right. Okay. Semakin besar saiz suatu sampel, semakin kecil variasi rawak. Ha? Okay. Now they have clan lagi. Alright. Okay. Hukum bilangan besar. Okay, we just go to that thing lah. Okay, because I know that most of the things. Semakin besar saiz satu sampel, semakin kecil variasi rawak. Jadi nilai anggaran satu parameter menjadi lebih konsisten. The more besar, lebih kecil lah dia punya variasi rawak tu. Okay, you guys understand? And this part, hukum bilangan besar menyatakan bahawa semakin besar saiz suatu sampel, nilai min percubaan semakin menghampiri nilai min teori bagi suatu populasi. Alright. Okay. So this part you need to know this thing, guys. So over z can also equals to z square. It's also equals to min lah. If you see the thing right here, okay. Over z is also so you can see lah that whenever the mean is minus with the variance, okay, or CSN PRY di sini, the downside you can see that okay there is a it's semakin kurang daripada mean, the actual mean lah. So the more the minus of the variance, the more it's out stage from the variance. And notice the negative symbol, guys, positive symbols. So semakin bertambah the variance of that in positive term, dia akan semakin lanjut ke bahagian kanan of this campuran normal. and the more with the negative thing, okay, then they go on the left side. Okay, to notice the thing, right? Right. So right here, so know that thing lah. This is the obvious thing lah. So the OZ affect FZ. Yes. Yes. Oh. Oh my God. Again. Okay. Hello. Alright. So yeah, we just go to the question. I think it's already late. Guys, I already wasted your guys' time already. Okay. Okay. Final one. This question lah. We complete this question and we'll just end up this session lah. Okay. Right. Okay. So latihan kan ready? 5.11, right? So I did this thing right here. Okay, hopefully it's correct lah. Satu pembalik ubah rawat selanja X bertaburan normal dengan mu, which is our mu is right here, is equals to 25, 24. So they already give that thing value right here. But then we need to know that you can use that thing for masukkan dalam persamaan. So which is our persamaan here, right? Here is that apa yang diminta lah. So right here diorang minta, okay, we just read the question lah first. Sisihan piawai sama dengan 6, and dia minta kita untuk cari skor Z jika X sama dengan 19 point. So we have our mean, we have our sisihan piawai, and we also have the X value, so we can put inside the formula lah that I give, right? Which is Z is equals to X minus mu per sisihan piawai. Okay, right. So we have the sisihan piawai, so we just can enter. Okay, this doesn't have the space, so right. So I think you guys already did this thing, right? So you guys can just tell me what's the answer for this score Z, and then I will just write down lah on the same time on here. Anyone can answer that thing lah. Okay. So what's that? Okay, just inside 19.5 24. Okay, 24. Okay. 6. You will get 5. There's a negative there. Yeah, sure. That's correct. Okay, you guys get the same? Yeah, okay. Thank you guys. Right, after that, we go move on to the next question lah. Just second one. X ialah suatu pembeli ubah rawat selanjutnya yang bertaburan secara normal, iaitu X equals N 500 and 169. Okay. Cari nilai X equals for Z ialah 2.3. Alright. So for this one, you know that you can lah, same thing as you do. But then from here you have to know that your mean is 500 and you get the formula. So that is let's go with the get the info WIS. Right? Minus 500 and minus into the CCNPY is yeah, look at 13. Why 13? 165 is variance actually. So in order to get the CCNPY, you just 100%. Do that. The answer x is equal to 517.55. Okay, alright guys, check it out. Yeah, 517. Some people already right. Right. So we have finished the second question, and then the third question here is that Raja di sebelah tabungan normal bagi sisi telepon pintar yang dihasilkan oleh sebuah kilang. Okay, sisi telepon pintar yang dihasilkan oleh sebuah kilang elektronik. Alright. Jika sisihan PY ialah okay, they got sisihan PY already. Okay, cari skor Z apabila sebuah telefon pintar yang dibeli secara rawak yang disim 0.14 km. Alright. So we know that over right here we also get the graph lah here. Again we just get inside the lah, and then we'll get the answer. So Z equals, so you guys can also do with me if you guys already know the question, already know the answer, you guys can always just chat. It's taking time right here. Yeah, okay. So 0.40 we minus with 0.115, which is right here, and then we divide it by the sisian PY lah, 0.05, and then we will get the answer is 0.2. Don't forget the negative. I think it's correct. Okay, alright. Hopefully you guys also get the same. Is it correct? Wait. Okay, you guys already did. Oh, okay. Okay, hope you guys get it lah. I just go through the right now. Okay, so we get this. Okay, B Jisim sebuah telefon pintar yang dipilih secara rawat jika skor Z ialah negatif 0.12. So here we know that over Z score is actually negative 0.12. We know that thing. So again, we just get inside lah, so the probability of x minus with 0.50. Okay, now over distribution over here is actually okay. We divide it into again 0.05. We get over x is equal to actually they are asking this GSIM is actually x. Okay, right here at this point. So uh, the x must be equal so 0. 4 0.144 and the unit because they already could ask GCM so kg. Alright. Alright. Okay guys. Right. For the fourth question, try to do here like it's already missing over. Fourth question, they are asking suatu pembuli ubah rawat selanjar X bertabur normal dan bersimetri pada X sama dengan 45. Jika X dipiawaikan kepada taburan normal piawai, didapati bahawa X sama dengan 60 akan dipiawaikan kepada Z sama dengan 1.5. Nyatakan mean dan sisihan piawai bagi taburan normal ini. Alright, they're asking what? Mean dan sisihan piawai. Alright, so what we have to do is we get the we get to know that over mean is already they have stated X is equal to 45. Simple. The question must be panjang or lengthy, but then still we get some marks on this thing. So if you know that maksud di sebalik benda yang tersirat ni, you will most probably understand lah this thing. Okay, so X is equals to 45. So also over mean is equals to alright. So if we put into the okay. And then they guys dia minta sisihan piawai. Untuk sisihan piawai, we know that 1.5 okay. Alright. So Z score kita di sini adalah Z 1.5. And then we have X is sama dengan 60 and then we have 45 is only okay. So we can find the so over Z score is 1.5 and then 16 which is over mu is 45 on the top also 45 and then we can find the system power. So over system power must be 10. Yeah. Okay. Alright guys. Hopefully guys also get the same lah. Then okay. I think already a lot of guys left. Okay, that's good actually. Not wasting your time. Alright. So mixed of. Okay, wait. Okay, so that's it lah for that question. So hopefully you guys get that thing lah. Okay, so then we got menentukan kebarangkalian suatu peristiwa bagi taburan normal. So in here, if you can understand this probability of A is more than less than X, X is less than B. Okay, so you guys need to know that this is also equals to this, yang dimana we can make the each and one of this untuk menjadi macam. So this is the actual, but this X we change it to this one, and we change it to B. And at this point, we know that it is also equals to P is sama dengan, okay, P kebarangkalian A minus mu per C and PY is less than Z and Z square and is less than B minus mu per C and PY. So that's it. Right. Alright. The difference between DPIY can and before DPIY can, you can refer the textbook also for this thing. It's actually called, for understanding, I think you guys cannot ask me, but then still I can do something like this lah. If you want to know something is already DPIY kan or not, you can see the equation lah. So X, sometimes you need to see that variance also, and then you would able to see how it actually be on that question. So when it's DPIY kan, we will have to need to add on this, and then when it's not DPIY kan, we just able to see that like this, right? Okay, and then finally this is the portion. Okay, I think this thing guys can understand lah. So taburan ukuran panjang sejenis skru yang dihasilkan oleh sebuah kilang boleh dianggap sebagai normal dengan mean 10.6, which is untuk biasakan kita dalam mana lah do this thing lah. Okay, let's say, okay, we just read the question first lah. Dan sisian PY 3.2 cm. Okay, wakilkan kebarangkalian bahawa batang skru yang dipilih secara rawak dari kilang itu mempunyai panjang antara 8.4 cm dengan 13.2 cm dengan keadaan Z ialah pemboleh ubah rawak selanjut PY. So how we do this is by adding, okay, you know that, okay, over basic probability, let's say that X is equals to, so as far as I know, X is equals to the screws panjang, wait okay, you guys know it lah, but then okay, let's anggap macam tu, and then they given already, they have stated the thing, right? If I'm not wrong, they have stated, okay, sebagai normal dengan mean-nya 0.6. Okay, CCN PY-nya adalah 3 cm. Alright, so sekarang ni we have know that simply you can do that is by this. Okay, wait, you can just state that probability of 1.4 x 32 is equals to over t. Okay, we can just make it like this like to state the anggapan lah, like this in another way. Okay, all right, right here t is 8.4 is less than x, and then over wait, wait, wait. Okay guys, at this point I think you guys can refer to the textbook because I cannot, I really cannot. Alright, so okay lah. I tried something but then it's went something. Okay, I expected something but outcome is something else. Okay. So really sorry for wasting your time, and okay, anything else, also, yeah, so sorry for the thing lah. So you guys might be expected something incredible is going to happen, but then it's okay, right? You guys, yeah. Actually, I actually feel worried of that thing lah. But then a lot of people already got that thing, right? So that's okay. Yeah, and